Hello students, welcome to EduTap. I'm Tanushree. So, less than 1 month is left for your phase 1 exam of NABARD Grade A. Now, at this point, many of you who have been preparing since a long period of time are searching for avenues to test themselves, to test their preparation. So, for all of you, we have brought the phase 1 test series, right? In this test series, we are going to provide you the solved PYQs, the quizzes, chapter wise quiz. For each and every chapter, quiz will be provided, full length mock test, sectional mock test. Now, how will this test series help you? This test series will help you in analyzing your preparation, how well you have prepared and how well are you able to execute what you have prepared. What are the areas which require more revision? What are the areas which require more focus? And even after preparing a area particularly well, right? If you have completed a topic well enough and still you are not able to score good in that particular topic, it will also help you in analyzing why are you lacking. Was it because of you misunderstanding the concept, you not remembering the concept, or you are making silly mistake in a particular topic? So this entire analysis, it becomes utmost importance, because students, preparing is one part, but executing that preparation in the exam is a completely different story, right? You should have your strength areas in mind. You should know which areas are those which I'm going to attempt first in the examination, right? So to prepare you for the exam day, to make sure that whatever you have prepared is executed well in the exam, it becomes utmost important for you to attempt as many mock tests, as many quizzes as you can, right? And in this direction, we have brought this test series for you. Now let me quickly tell you what are the features and how you can use this test series effectively, right? So first of all, current affairs will be provided to you. Again, current affairs is one such thing for which you have to be continuously updated. So if you see our current affairs course, then in this current affairs course, all the schemes tab, reports tab, and the quizzes for the schemes and reports tab, they will be provided to you. Not just the quiz, but also the documents itself are also provided to you. So that is one thing which you will get with this course, which will be of immense help to you, that you are reading the current affairs and also you are solving the quizzes for the same, right? After the current affairs part, we have the quantitative aptitude, right? So in the quantitative aptitude, if you see that for each and every chapter, right, if we see the chapter number 1, simplification and the basics. So in the simplification chapter, if you see, solved PYQs are provided, right? So solve previous year questions of the number series and solve previous year questions of the simplification topic, they are provided. So first thing, you will get an idea what are the level of questions which was asked in the exam previously, and then you'll also be provided the chapter wise quiz for each and every chapter of every component. Quizzes have been provided here. So you have these quizzes here. Now let me quickly show you the interface. What does the interface of this quiz look like? It will be similar to your real examination, right? So if you see here, when you click on the take test step, such a screen will appear in front of you. You have to click on start test, right? Once you start the test, you have to, click on the answer and next. Again, you have to select the correct answer and you have to like you have to press the next button, right? So similarly, you have to submit the question answers, and once you are done with the entire test, after that you have to click on the submit button. Once you submit the quiz, right, such a interface will appear in front of you, and again, once when you click on the submit button, the entire analysis, it will appear in front of you, right? So here it will show you what were your correct answers, incorrect, what was the negative marking, right? Again, it will help you in analyzing what is your level of accuracy, right? Because in NABARD grade examination, when QRE is just a non-merit section where you just have to clear the sectional cutoff, your target is to attempt as many questions with accuracy as you can, right? So you have to attempt the minimum number of questions with the utmost accuracy. Even if you are attempting 8-10 questions out of 20, but with accuracy, you are on the safer side, right? So here accuracy becomes very important. So you will realize what is your level of accuracy in a particular topic, right? Again, when you are analyzing it topic wise, right, अगर हर एक चैप्टर के लिए आपको पता है कि किस चैप्टर में आपकी accuracy कितनी ज्यादा है, तो इससे you will analyze that whether or not like at what is your position, what should be your target score when you see that, when you see a question from that particular topic in the exam, you will have an idea whether to approach that question or not, right? And after that, you will also be told what is your what was your time analysis, on what kind of questions you were taking, how much time. So that will also be that analysis will also be provided to you. After that, the most important thing in any competitive exam, that your performance relative to the performance of other students, that will also be shown to you. So the toppers marks, the person who comes second, and the person who comes third, and also your rank will be provided to you, right? So that is what the interface look like. So I think this is clear to you. The interface, it will look similar to this one only for the other chapters as well, for the other components as well, right? For each of the component, for every chapter, you will be provided with the sectional test, sorry, you will be provided with the quiz and also the solved pyqs, right? So if you see here, computer knowledge, right? So again, for computer knowledge, for each and every chapter, there are solved previous year questions and also the quiz, right? Again, similarly, if we look at the ARD, okay, wait. If we look at the ARD and the ESI, again, for each and every chapter, there are going to be the solved previous year questions and the and the quiz as well. So, and remember students, in each and every quiz, in each and every test, you will get a detailed explanation as well, so that you can cross check what are the points you were lacking in, right? Where did you make a mistake, right? And also, if you are somebody who is doing cross engineering, so for them to gain the knowledge, that explanation will be helpful, right? After all these components have been covered, right, the chapter wise quizzes and the chapter wise solved pyqs have been covered, we are also providing you with the sectional quiz and the full length mock test. So here we are providing you with 10 full length mock test, full length, like the entire 200 question for 200 marks in 2 hours, that will be provided to you in the full length mock test. After that, we are also providing you sectional test for the quant, reasoning and English. 10 sectional test for quant, 10 sectional test for reasoning, and 10 sectional 10 sectional test for English will be provided to you under this test series, right? So these are all the components which have been provided to you. After that, there is one very beautiful feature of this test series, which is the weekly mentor talk, right? If you are attempting the quizzes, right, at any point, if you are feeling low because of your marks, if you think that you need to talk to a mentor to analyze your strategy and to make certain changes, you can always attend this weekly mentor talk, right, to make sure that you are on the right path. If you need any guidance, you can join this weekly mentor talk. So it is not that once you have purchased the test series, you will have no contact with us. That is not the case. Every week this mentor talk, it takes place. You have to come and ask your queries, right? So this is all about the test series, and I have shown you what all are the components which will be provided to you. So if you are somebody who wants to revise, who want to check himself or herself, you can go through the test series. It will be of immense help to you, right? So on this note, I'll take a leave from you. All the very best for your examination.